Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix JBL Wave Buds not pairing and not charging. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If your earbuds not charging, then we'll need to consider these steps. First, it could be as simple as bad USB charging cable. If you have other charging cables, give them a try. Be sure that the cable has the same type of connector as the original one that come with the product. Second, same for the charger. If your product charged by USB, try a different USB charger. Be sure that it is rated at least 2.0A, 2 amperes output. The third, try other electrical outlets at your location to be certain it is not a vocal wiring issue. Fourth, charge the product overnight for at least 8 hours. Fifth, when you plug the charging cable into the speaker or headphones, is the connector stable or can be whizzed around? It can be visible. This could indicate that the charging port has been damaged or come loose. Sometimes whistling the connection restores charging power. Important. Some products such as Extreme 2 Boombox Party Box 100 and 300, Go Plus Play, and the Onyx Studio series do not use USB charging. Instead, they have a specialized charger. Do not attempt to charge these products with other cables or chargers. And if your earbud have pairing issues, then you will need to consider these steps. First, forget/unpair the headphones on your device. Second, manually pair the two earphones together following the manual pairing left and right instructions in your owner manual and quick start guide. Third, pair the headphones to your device and see if this resolves the problem. Fourth, if the manual pairing does not fix the problem, then forget/unpair the headphones on your device again. Fifth, initiate a product reset to reset the earbuds Bluetooth connection. Note that the reset will wipe all previous settings and pairing, so it will be necessary to pair your headphones with your device again. Then follow the product reset instructions in your owner manual and quick start guide. Manually pair the two earbuds together again, so did it step 2. The additional step is necessary because by default the reset procedure does not automatically pair the two earpieces together, but it does wipe all previous settings and reset the internal processor. So it is necessary to manually pair the two earpieces together again. Then pair the buds to your source device. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.